Number 1. 1994 Ford F150, price $7,500. This truck is a well-preserved classic pickup with just 107,000 original miles. It features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission that has been rebuilt and upgraded with a shift kit, paired with a reliable 5.0L V8 engine equipped with a mild cam for added performance. The truck is a two-wheel drive and runs on gasoline, finished in a clean white exterior with a blue interior. This F150 stands out for being entirely rust-free, with no body damage and no leaks, truly a rare find in this condition. Everything on the vehicle works as it should, making it fully highway-ready and in need of nothing. It comes with a clean title in hand and is ready for a new owner who appreciates the durability and character of a well-maintained classic Ford truck. Vehicles like this don't stay on the market for long, don't miss your chance to own it. Number 2. 1994 GMC 1500, price $7,000. It features a freshly built 350 cubic inch V8 engine mated to a smooth-shifting 4L60 automatic transmission, delivering strong performance for both cruising and daily driving. The truck is in excellent condition throughout, with a rust-free body and a frame that is as clean and solid underneath as it is on the outside, clearly reflecting its southern heritage and careful ownership. Finished in a deep black exterior with a clean gray interior, the truck offers a timeless and bold appearance. The interior is comfortable and well-kept, making it just as enjoyable to drive as it is to look at. This GMC runs on regular gasoline and has recently been upgraded with brand new Cooper 295/50/15 tires, giving it a more aggressive stance and improved traction. Overall, it runs and drives just as good as it looks, smooth, responsive, and ready for the road. Number 3. 1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, powered by a reliable 350 engine paired with a 350 transmission. Finished in sleek black both inside and out, this truck also comes equipped with power windows and door locks for added convenience. Inside, it features a Bluetooth-enabled Kenwood stereo system paired with upgraded speakers for a modern touch. The truck has received several recent updates and replacements, including a brand new transmission with supporting paperwork, new drive shaft U-joints, a fresh battery, a new ignition switch, starter, shocks, radiator, and a full set of new tires. While the truck is mechanically sound, there are a few cosmetic and finishing touches still needed. The black paint, redone about 3 years ago, is showing some wear and isn't in perfect condition. Additionally, the windshield has a crack, and the interior needs to be completed, specifically, new carpet installation, finishing the door panels, and replacing the weather seals. Number 4. 1995 Chevrolet C2500, price $4,000, equipped with a 6.5L turbo diesel engine mated to a 4L80E automatic transmission, delivering reliable performance and solid towing capability. With 239,000 miles on the odometer, it continues to run and drive well, a testament to the durability of its drivetrain. The truck features a rich burgundy exterior paired with a matching burgundy interior, both of which present well for its age. The interior is in notably good condition, clean, intact, and free of major wear, indicating it has been reasonably well cared for over the years. The tires are also in excellent condition, providing confidence on the road and reducing the need for immediate maintenance. As a diesel-powered vehicle, this C2500 offers the longevity and fuel economy that diesel engines are known for, making it a dependable option for work, hauling, or daily driving. Number 5. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,100. With approximately 230,000 miles on the odometer, it features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in a classic tan color, complemented by a matching tan interior that maintains a clean and functional appearance. While the passenger side fender and grille are slightly darker than the rest of the body panels, likely due to previous replacement or repainting, this cosmetic detail does not affect the vehicle's strong performance or reliability. The truck starts easily, drives smoothly, and handles everyday use without issue, making it a solid option for someone in need of a dependable workhorse or a practical daily vehicle. Number 6. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,999, finished in gold with a tan interior. It's powered by a rebuilt 5.3L V8 featuring LS6 beehive valve springs and LS7 lifters, built to run exclusively on 93-octane fuel. The engine has just 6,000 miles since the rebuild and delivers a deep, aggressive tone through a straight-piped axle dump exhaust with 5-inch rolled tips. The automatic transmission has been rebuilt with a Corvette servo, and the rear end features 4.10 gears with Posey and only 6,550 miles. Suspension is fully refreshed with new ball joints, tie rods, and a 3/8 IHC drop kit, including an underbed notch, flip kit, shock extenders, and 2-inch shackles. Inside, it has a full interior swap with a center console, Bluetooth radio, and a Cadillac cluster with trans temp. It's wired for subs under the driver's seat, but the true mileage is unknown due to the aftermarket cluster. Riding on clean 18-inch Chevrolet wheels with good tires, this Chevy is ready to turn heads with both looks and performance. Number 7. 1982 Ford F150, price $10,000. It has traveled 116,500 miles and features a manual transmission. With a striking blue exterior and black interior, this truck runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's equipped with a 5.0L V8 302 engine paired with the Granny 4-speed transmission and sits on a 2-inch lift. Although the truck shows around 16,000 miles, it's likely that the odometer has rolled over. The truck is in excellent condition with no rust and runs and drives great. It comes with several upgrades and improvements, including a custom-made bench seat from a local shop. Recent additions include a new carburetor, new coils, new headers, a new radiator, a new power steering pump, a new clutch, a new oil pan, and new headlights. Additionally, it has new side mirrors, a fresh coat of paint, a truck bed liner, and new flooring. This F-150 is a solid, well-maintained truck ready for its next owner. Number 8. 2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $2,750. It has accumulated 186,000 miles and comes with an automatic transmission. Its exterior is silver, while the interior features a charcoal color scheme. The truck starts and runs well but does need a tune-up and brake work to bring it up to optimal performance. The interior is worn, with damage consistent with its age as a 25-year-old work truck, and the body shows various dents and scratches. Despite these cosmetic issues, the Sierra 1500 still has a lot of potential. It would be an excellent project for someone with the time, skills, and resources to fix it up. With some repairs and restoration work, this truck could be brought back to life and serve its owner for many more years to come. Number 9. 1989 Ford F150, price $5,000, with a manual 5-speed transmission, converted from factory 4-speed, and a 302 HO engine. The truck features a black exterior, blue interior, and runs on gasoline. Performance upgrades include a Lunati cam, GT40 heads, comp cams valve springs, equal-length headers into a Black Widow 3-inch exhaust, a high-volume oil pump, and Ford Racing valve covers. It has new dual fuel tanks and pumps, a new water pump, new plugs, distributor, and ignition module. The interior is in good shape and includes mechanical oil pressure, temp, and RPM gauges. The only known mechanical issue is a worn valve stem seal. Rust is minimal, with some on the cab corners, bed wells, and a small hole on the passenger floorboard. Number 10. 1969 Ford F100, price $4,500, with 71,500 miles, finished in red inside and out. It features a 360 big block V8 paired with a 3-speed manual column shift transmission, manual steering and brakes, and runs on gasoline. It has a clear title and runs and drives well, recently receiving a fresh tune-up, a new alternator, newer water pump, and newer tires. While it's a solid driver as is or a great project base, it does have some flaws: no tailgate, a slow radiator leak, faulty horn, rust on the body and bed pan, peeling clear coat, missing rearview mirror, worn side mirrors, and a cracked dash. Still, it's a strong candidate for restoration or weekend cruising.